Celebrities attend Vice Ganda's birthday party in Nueva Ecija. It's showtime. Family and other celebrities attended Vice Ganda's birthday party in Nueva Ecija on Saturday. The Kapamilya superstar, who celebrated her 48th birthday, pulled off an ethereal-themed birthday celebration at Highland Valley Villas Resort and Spa in Pantabangan Town. It's showtime. Hosts Ann Curtis, Jong Hilario, Vong Navarro, Kim Chu, Amy Castillo, Ogie Alcacid, Karil, Darren Espanto, Teddy Corpus, and MC Enlaci attended the event. Also present were Diamond star Maricel Soriano, Vicky Bello and Hayden Co, Angeline Quinto, Bella Padilla, Ora Breguela, Kalad Karen, and KZ Tandingan, who performed at the gathering. ABS-CBN President and CEO Carlo Katigbak and Chief Operating Officer Cory Vidanes were also at Vice Ganda's party. Vice said Saturday's event was not just a birthday celebration but also a Thanksgiving party. Life has not been easy pero still grabe yung blessings na natatanggap ko at nating lahat. She said, why celebrate in Nueva Ecija? Gusto ko talaga malayo. Para wala kayong choice kundi magstay. Because I really want to spend this wonderful night with everyone. Ayoko nung magpa-party tapos kakain tapos kanya-kanya ang puslitan. Ang ending ako na lang at si Ayon ang nasa venue, Vice said. Sarado yung daan, so walang makakauwi. Gusto ko talaga isang magdamag kasama kayong lahat. Dahil kayong lahat, mahal na mahal ko at mahal niyo ako at kami kaya gusto kong magkakasama talaga tayo. Vice Ganda's birthday celebration came a week after the noontime show's trending debut on GMA7.